Hey guys, it's a average Saturday here in Florida these days. It's a little overcast, a little rainy looking, but we're headed out to Main Street in Jacksonville for the Springfield Main Street Cruise-In to see what they got going on. It's supposed to be a really good cruise-in. It's supposed to be lots of cars that show up, and I hope there is, because I didn't make it out to any other car shows today. So we'll go see what we see, and we'll update you when we get there and see what's going on. Thank you.
Uh-huh. I feel like their artwork.
Yeah.
It looks deserted there.
It does, doesn't it?
One car.
Yeah. Well, we'll pull up and wait a little while and see what happens. Maybe a short visit.
Is this even a working crystals?
Don't know.
Yeah. I think it might be.
Well, where should I go? Back over there?
Yeah, there's a lane right there. You can go back around here.
Alright.
Well, there's somebody in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
Guess
pull
you
up
could
right
ask
there.
this guy. Yeah, pull up there by him and talk to him.
I meant right there.
Oh, fine. I don't care.
Hang on.
Mm-hmm. You hungry?
Yeah, but I don't particularly want one from here.
Okay.
They out of everything from what I was hearing people ordering.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because I was listening.
Yeah.
I was like, out of this, out of that. I'm like, never mind then.
How can you be out of shit like that this early in the day?
I don't know, but let me record this.
Okay.
So we went out to the Springfield Cruise-In in Main Street in Jacksonville, and we checked it out. It was a little underwhelming. Only had 3 or 4 cars show up. I had heard tales of this being a great cruise-in and having lots and lots of cars, but I didn't see it. They didn't show out today. So, not going to be much of a video from it, but this little vlog video. But anyway, we'll catch you on the next one. Hey guys, so I decided I probably better do a little bit of a addendum to this vlog video. I decided to go out and check out the historic Springfield Main Street Cruise in Jacksonville today. And there really wasn't very many people that showed up. There was myself and 3 other cars that were there when I was there. So, not a great turnout. But I am going to give them the benefit of the doubt, because it was kind of a rainy day. Wasn't raining while I was there, but that don't mean it didn't rain. So I'm going to give them a little bit of a pass on that. But I've heard stories of how that used to be the premier cruising up and down Main Street, and it was so awesome. And I know every event has an off month, but 3 cars, I don't know what to say. But I figured I better, add a little clarification to this vlog video, because, I waited around for a while. Nobody showed up. But the 3 cars that were there when I got there, well, the 3 cars that were there when I was there. So I'm sure there were some folks that stopped by after I left, but it wasn't great. I'm going to be honest, it wasn't great. Now, like I said, I'll give some people some benefit of the doubt because it was raining. Or, it was not raining. It was rainy in the area. And rain was forecasted. But the last several days, there's been a 70% chance of rain. And it not rain very much anywhere. So, you take that with what you will. But, anyway. On to channel news. Switch gears a little bit there. On to the channel news. We are at 125 subscribers, which is great. That means we got to get 375 more to get monetized. Yeah, 375. Doing quick math. Math not strong suit. Anyway, I'm kidding. I'm good at math, just not right off the top of my head. So, yeah, I'm proud to be at 125. It's great. Just need 375 more to get monetized. And on to next weekend. Or maybe I should talk about last weekend. Yeah, last weekend was a rough weekend. I had planned to go to Wings and Wheels at the Fernandina Airport. Was sick as a dog. I have not been that sick in a while. I think I had the latest iteration of the beer bug, the vid. Insert name for it here that won't get me banned. So yeah, I had to take the whole weekend off. I had to take the week off. I was gonna be at Fernandina, and then I was gonna do Yulee the next day. Just it didn't happen. I was gonna do 3 shows last weekend. I was gonna do Fernandina Wings and Wheels. I was gonna do the Waycross Downtown Cruise In, and I was gonna do Yulee Cars and Coffee on Sunday. Didn't happen. But luckily, I tend to stay a week and a half, sometimes more behind on posting videos. Or that's not so much posting as releasing videos, because they're all up. I release them one a day, to keep the algorithm happy or whatever. So I've got some content for this coming week. So this video will come out, and then there'll be more videos from, I think it's Callahan Cruiser's 10-year anniversary videos for this next week. But next weekend's gonna be a big one. Because on Saturday next week, I have the Shop with a Cop Journey Church car show with some of the cruisers and some other groups here in the area at the Journey Church West in Hilliard. I'm going to go out to that one on Saturday. And then Sunday is the 1st of September, which will be the day for the Sunday pit stop at the Orange Park Mall. Hope there's a large crowd for that one. That one has the potential to grow, quite large, because there's a huge area for cars to come to. And then on Monday night, after that Sunday, is Yulee Streetlights at the 7-Eleven. Hope we don't get rained out again. It seems we've been on a real rough patch with getting rained out at that one. But anyway, so yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share Share it out to people, you know, if you think it's awesome or if it's cool. I bring the car show to you. I show you through my cameras what it's like to actually be at the car show. There's different ways, you know, different camera angles and stuff that I do that with. I have stationary cameras. I ride around with the cameras. So, yeah. I try to take you to the car show with me. Because I know a lot of people, they're not into going out to the car show. I mean, it's hot. It's the summer in Florida. It's miserable. So, you know, follow my channel. I go out and get miserable so you don't have to. I'm going to start doing a lot more short content for YouTube Shorts, and I guess I need to start a TikTok account. I don't know about doing TikTok. I mean, maybe I won't do TikTok because they're about to ban it here in the United States. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, that's gonna wrap this video up. So yeah, I'll see you out there at the car shows, or follow me here. You know, follow me on here and go to the car show with me at a later date, at your leisure. So yeah, peace out. I'll catch you on the next one.